guys, I'm Priyanka, and today on our episode of Catch Up Talks with us, we have Rajat Barmecha. Welcome, Rajat.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, your show is coming soon, Hey Prabhu Season 2. Tell me, how are you feeling right now?
Yes, it is. It feels good whenever there's a season two, season three. It's always a good feeling because that means that people really liked your work and liked the show in season one, so they connected with you somewhere. So it's a good feeling. A lot of hard work since the pandemic. So I think it feels good. Finally, one of your work which you started during which you shot during the pandemic is coming out. It's a fun feeling. So yeah, I think it's going to be fun.
Okay, and yes, it looks fun definitely. The all the mini trailers and then the final trailer that came out, with all of your life ke loche that he Tarun seems to be having in this season. So, tell me more about what it was like shooting for this season after the first one. Was there any kind of pressure, or oh, have to live up to this, or were you chill about it?
I think the pressure should be, and normally it is, on the writers, because if you've written a good show, then to make a season two, you have to live up to that expectations. And also, uh, luckily, our writers, they didn't write anything just for the heck of it, ki just because season one chal gaya, हमें season two लिखना है. Not because of that. They actually wrote a good show. For me as an actor, I think there's not too much pressure when it comes to a season wide thing, because there's a lot we work on as a character building thing. Like you build a character, a certain character, for a season, and for that, I think it's very easy for an actor to just, you know, season two, may you already know your character, so you don't have to stress that much.
Okay. Cool. And I know you can't get into specifics, but if there was anything that you loved or a part of this season that you loved shooting for, or can you tell me a little bit about that?
With this season,
Yes.
a lot of things. Yeah, to start with, I think the first, like we were stuck inside our homes. We all were ghar pe for months. Then finally we went back on a set. Was Hey Prabhu season two. So I think it's amazing to even get that feeling. That feeling is really nice. So I think that was a special thing. And otherwise, all the co-actors, everyone, we've known each other now
Yeah.
from the first season now till now. So I think it's just been a friends catching up again.
Hmm. It looks that way. I mean, on screen though, it looks like a lot of fun. As much as fun he's having, I think there's equal amounts of trouble also. So, in any way, does Tarun's troublesome parts of his life match with Rajat's? Is there any similarity there?
No, I would say. Luckily enough, my personal, professional, everything, like, yeah, my life is pretty chill. I feel, touch wood.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, Tarun has a lot of issues going on. मेरी life में ऐसा कुछ तो I can't think of anything. Good
Okay.
parents, like fun parents, not nosy parents. Work is fine. Everything I think is perfect. And also with perfect, I would say, like, it's like I'm happy. So it's important to be in a happy space
Happy place.
then, because
True.
perfection to वैसे भी कुछ नहीं है. There's nothing, like, if for you something might be
Will be
perfect which might not be for someone
very
else.
subjective.
So it's very subjective. So but as far as you're happy and you feel, content,
Hmm.
it's good. I think it's important.
True. And Rajat, now because all these restrictions are sort of coming back also, I'd like to ask you this question. If you had to quarantine with one character from the season two of Hey Prabhu, who would it be? Besides yourself,
Hmm.
besides your own character.
Yeah, of course. Ah, that's an interesting one. I think I should say Sikka,
Okay.
because Sikka's character has a lot of money. So अगर if I'm stuck in a lockdown again
Yeah.
and पैसा अच्छा सिक्का के पास है, so I think I should just say him, because I don't know if I'm talking about, like, if I'm talking as a character, then I would like obviously say Arunima because
Mhm.
he's in love with her, of course. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, cool. So Rajat, Hey Prabhu 2 is on MX Player, and which is an OTT platform, and there are several others like MX Player that are giving younger actors, newer actors more opportunities. What do you have to say about these platforms coming in and sort of making it a level playing field for all actors?
I think it's a great thing. I think it's a big win for content creators, for artists, because the more the platform, the more the competition. The more the competition, people will try their best to make good content, better content, because the audience is very uh, moody. So if you don't give them what they want, they will switch to another platform. So people are trying their best to, make good content.
Hmm.
And also this is giving a lot of directors, actors, writers, a lot more work, chances to work, and interesting things to experiment with. So I think it's just a win-win for everyone.
So I agree, and we love watching all you guys come up with so many different kinds of stories. I believe have come to the forefront because of this.
Yes.
So okay, Rajat, tell me what can the before I let you, I have a couple more things, but what can the audience expect from this season? Something that they don't probably pick up in the trailer.
uh so with the trailer, I think you've seen a lot of issues that happen in Tarun's life, a lot of
Hmm.
lochas, what we call them. But when you watch the show, you will realize that this is also like very, we all, like our generation, we all can relate with certain things. Even though, like I told you, like my life is not similar to Tarun's. Like
Hmm.
my life is pretty sorted. Still, somewhere we'll all be able to connect with a thing or two.
True.
There'll be something which will be like कि अरे हाँ यार ये तो होता है, ऐसा तो होता है, अच्छा this is how he handled, this is how I would handle.
Yeah.
So like we can all have like a connect value to this season. So I think that's a plus. So please watch it, and yeah, I hope somewhere you will get your answers, or yeah, I don't know, just some clarity.
Okay, cool. Can you tell me five things where personally where you went hey Prabhu in your life? Like where the life ke loche made you go hey Prabhu.
uh so एक तो जब भी कोई सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक यूज करता है, तो मुझे लगता है हे प्रभु, लाइक
जी.
कब समझोगे आप? आ, जब कोई सिग्नल जंप करता है, या एकदम आधे रोड पे आके खड़ा हो जाता
Hmm.
है, रेड लाइट पे, मतलब एकदम आगे तक
जी.
आके खड़े हो गए, वो मुझे बहुत इरिटेटिंग लगता है. सो देयर आई गो हे प्रभु.
Okay.
देन बस 1 मिनट का काम है, एंड दिस हैपेंड येस्टरडे आउटसाइड माय कैफे. 1 मिनट का काम है, या एक बस कॉफी उठा के जाना है, एंड यू पार्क योर कार इन द मिडल ऑफ द रोड, एंड बाकी 10-20 लोगों को गाड़ियों में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. अगेन लाइक आई एम लाइक, दिस इज द मोस्ट बेसिक थिंग, इट्स कॉमन सेंस, डोंट डू इट.
Yeah.
3, जब मेरे को एज एन एक्टर कभी थोड़ा थोड़ा मेरे को ध्यान रखना पड़ता है क्या खाऊं क्या ना खाऊं है, बट मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ और मेरे सामने सब कुछ अच्छा अच्छा है, एंड आई एम लाइक हे प्रभु, कैसे कंट्रोल करे इंसान, लाइक हाउ डू यू डू दैट? आई वुड
Okay.
गो हे प्रभु. एंड फिफ्थ,
I don't know anything about your
uh,
dating life there.
हाँ, उस डायरेक्शन में तो मैं गया ही नहीं. या सो आई डोंट नो उसके रिलेटेड.
I know something that irks you, like if you're on a date, something that irks you, like ugh.
Yeah, like agar now when you're giving example, I can, it's a hypothetical situation I can make up. Okay, if I'm on a date and everything is going perfect, like I'm really liking the girl, but if she's disrespectful to someone, like agar wo achanak se she'll be like, she'll start yelling at the waiter for no reason, and even
Yeah.
if there's a mistake, or the valet guy ki get my car quick or whatever,
Mhm.
like ये टशन कोई दिखाएगा तो मुझे लगेगा हे प्रभु, सब अच्छा जा रहा था, why did you have to do that? So
I
yeah,
get it.
that would make me go hey Prabhu.
Okay.
I also have another hey Prabhu when I
Yes.
get like a good interviewer. So I'm like hey Prabhu, thank God. the interviewer
Can
knows.
I? Am
So
I
yes,
accepting the
yes,
compliment?
yes, this is for you, Priyanka. So
Yay!
thank you for being. Yes.
What are you going to do? थोड़ा nervous तो हो गए आप, but do you have plans to watch it with friends and stuff like that, or have you
Uh,
watched it already?
no, I have not. And nervous nahi, because I'm thoda detached when it comes to these things. So
अच्छा,
once I'm done with it, so I'm not thinking too much about it. कि अरे
जी,
लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा या नहीं लगेगा. वो जो भी लगेगा, I'll get good feedback for sure.
okay.
But the plan is, yesterday I bumped into my director,
Mm-hmm.
Abhishek Dogra,
Abhishek.
and Achint. वो दोनों, and it was coincidence. They just showed up at my cafe out of nowhere and at the same time.
Yeah.
So so we planned that very soon, in a day or two, we will watch it at Abhishek's house. So
Okay.
we'll all have a screening there. So that's where I did the same with season one. Me,
Mm-hmm.
Achint, and Shashank, we
Yeah.
saw all 6 episodes in Shashank's house. So I think this time all 10 episodes will be in Abhishek's house.
That sounds great. Thank you so much, Rajat. It's
Thank you,
been great
Priyanka.
talking to you, and I can't wait to watch the show.
Same here. Thank you. So nice talking to you.
Bye bye.
Bye.